How to send a gift message on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, you want to go ahead and simply log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on this message icon right over here and then select the person you would like to send a gift message to. Go ahead and select them and then type in your desired message. Once you have typed in your message, you will be able to find a search icon right over here. Tap onto it and then you'll be able to find effects right over here. And then you can find a gift effect right over here. Go ahead and tap onto it and then it will then send a gift message on Instagram. And then when they open your gift message, they'll be able to see your message inside it. And that is how to send a gift message on Instagram. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.